Hello friend, I'm DevKayo, and we're learning how to build great things with Dart and Flutter. Now that your environment is ready, it's time to build your first Flutter app. We'll use the default counter app that comes when you run Flutter Create. This might seem basic, but it's actually a great way to understand how Flutter works behind the scenes. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next steps on this learning path. After running the flutter create command, you'll see a folder with a bunch of files. Don't worry about all of them for now. We'll explore each piece later when it actually matters. For now, open the main.dart file. That's where your app starts. In Dart, every app starts with a main function. It's the entry point. You can think of a function as a block of code that executes a specific task. The main function calls runApp, and this is Flutter's way of saying, start the app and show something on the screen. The runApp function expects a widget. Widgets are the core building blocks of Flutter. In fact, everything you see in a Flutter app, buttons, text, layout, even the whole screen, everything is a widget. In the counter app, Flutter gives you a basic structure that includes a material app, a scaffold, an app bar, and a body with a button and a counter display. Don't worry, we'll simplify and walk through each part step by step. Let's look at the screen layout. At the top, there's a title bar. In the center, there's some text and a number. When you tap the button in the corner, the number increases. This small app introduces key ideas: how to structure the UI, manage state, and respond to user interaction. Take your time, pause the video if needed, and try changing a few things in the code to see what happens. And if you're liking this, leave a like, it really helps. This app also introduces a special widget called StatefulWidget. Unlike stateless widgets, stateful widgets can change over time. Take a look to find a function called setState. This tells Flutter, something changed, update the screen. That's how the counter goes up when you tap the button. You don't need to fully understand this yet, just get familiar with the idea of reacting to interaction and updating the UI. You'll find the complete code on GitHub, linked below, so you can follow along or copy anything you missed. The goal here isn't just to build a counter, it's to understand how Flutter apps are structured and how Dart code flows. Later, we'll customize this and make it feel more like something that's yours. And if you want, leave a comment telling me what you'd like to build with Flutter. I'd love to hear your ideas. To wrap up, you've understood the role of the main function. Run your first Flutter app, how runApp launches a widget tree, and seen how simple interaction works with the stateful widget. We'll revisit each of these concepts in more detail, step by step, throughout this path. Don't forget to share this video with someone just getting started too. I see you in the next one. And check the links in the description for official docs and extra reading if you're curious to dive deeper.